Hi, my name is Matt Adams. I'm a product line manager with Viavi Solutions, and we're talking to you today from OFC 2026. Huge energy on the floor the last few days and looking to continue going forward. One of the areas that we're really emphasizing this year in our MAP photonic test and measurement platform is our connectivity test suite. Connectivity test has been a cornerstone of our strategy for photonic test and a huge part of how we support the ecosystem through the AI ramp that we're on. A very simple but critical test that happens millions of times a month is the ability to take an MPO, an MMC, a parallel optical interconnect, and measure it for insertion loss and return loss. And what we're launching this year is a new remote head power meter, which allows us to not only do those measurements, but also physically identify which fiber the light is coming from at the end of the connector. So adding additional measurement capability without actually increasing test time, changing productivity, but making the manufacture of these types of devices more reliable and consistent. The second big launch that we're talking about here at the show is enhancements to our award-winning sweat wavelength system. The sweat wavelength system has been a workhorse in the ROADM, DWDM, WSS space, and now we're releasing a new version specifically targeted for silicon photonics measurements. So taking the sweat wavelength IL, RL, polarization analysis, TETM modes, and bringing all of that capability into the silicon photonics world so that the silicon photonics, which also is underpinning the AI revolutions in photonics, has the type of precision and speed and volume manufacturing capabilities that are required. For more information on these and other products, please contact us at viavisolutions.com or contact your local sales representative.